So if we look at our screen, we can see that AutoCAD is divided into three sections. Across the top we have the ribbon, throughout the middle we have the modeling window, and at the bottom we have the command line and a series of guides. Now, before we start drawing, let's discuss our interface quickly. Now across the top is the ribbon, which, as I flip through most of the menus, contains most of the commands that AutoCAD uses to make drawings and objects. In this iteration of 2012, most of our commands are saved up here, but we can also enter all of our commands with the command prompt at the bottom. In my opinion, it's much faster to use AutoCAD with the command line than it is to point and click and look for all of our tools. And in our situation, being this is the introduction, we're not going to need most of these tools anyway. So what we're going to do is actually modify our interface with, at the top of the screen, we're going to change this from drafting and annotation to AutoCAD Classic. And it's going to make the menu at the top much smaller. And you can see we still have the same menu titles across the top with some smaller toolbars right beneath them. And we have a few toolbars that show up in the middle of the page. We're actually going to close those as well. We can also open them later on should we decide to.